Hey guys, welcome to my first YouTube video. I thought we'd start with the kitchen because I feel like the kitchen is the room of the house that gets cleaned the most for everybody. So enjoy watching me do my dishes for a minute. I actually usually use a white vinegar spray to clean my microwave, but this flash spray smells amazing and I'm obsessed with it, so we're using that today. I like to use a window spray and a window cloth to clean the front of the microwave because it leaves it so shiny. The pink stuff paste in a scrub daddy is perfect for so many things, but the hob and the inside of the oven is what I use them for most. The element went in the main oven, so we've only been able to use the top oven, but I only did a deep clean on this the other day, so I didn't go too much into it. And if you want to see that video, then it's on my TikTok, so go follow that. I'm actually just using a Dishmatic sponge with dish soap in it to clean the windows initially, and then I'll go over with a window cloth and just dry it, and it leaves it completely streak free. For some reason, I find cleaning my sink so relaxing, and I use the Cif cream cleaner to begin with, and then after that I'll use the Cif stainless steel spray. It leaves the sink really shiny. I'm also using the same window cloth from earlier to dry the sink at the end to stop water spots and keep it shinier for a bit longer. Cleaning the floor is always one of the last things that I do, so I can catch all of the little bits that fall off the worktops as I'm cleaning them. And this Flash floor cleaner is one of the best things I've ever smelled in my entire life. I'm just wiping my cupboards down with a bit of Sephora. This one's the linen fresh one and it smells really good. And then lastly, I'm just organising my cleaning cupboard because it's used so often, so it gets unorganised so easily. So yeah, this is the before. Let me know if you guys like this video. Let me know if you like the voiceover or whether you would just rather the time lapses, or I'm not sure, any video requests, just let me know. Thank you very much. Goodbye.